Oh, it was on the 7th.
Yeah.
Today on the 22nd of July 2024, we have Vilhonvuorenkatu, Vilhonvuorenkatu, 11 Stickies T, and the freight elevator outside it. It's also here in Södernes Helsinki, Finland. And it's another one that we forgot to film.
Yeah.
And that's the other one, these stickers with the Delta motorizations, which was beautiful too. That's these 10 persons.
Oh.
I get it from the original.
Yeah.
Those in 1951 or after 2000, and this
Yeah.
is the LL floor.
Yeah. First one.
Yeah, sorry. This number says H781. It's a half floor between 1 and 11.
Yeah.
Yeah. The best is 10 persons, 50 grams. Hopefully nobody comes.
Yeah.
Should have been original with the yellow buttons.
Yeah.
But this is still very nice.
Yeah.
And Finland loves with two sides.
Yeah.
The original metal items.
Mm.
It must have been late 2000.
Yeah.
And the data is beginning of 2002.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're doubting.
Yeah. Needs to be fucking less, maybe like Kone.
Can we still do a second ride or?
And so maybe.
Yeah. Okay, nobody is coming.
Yeah.
It still deserves a second ride. It's with this original cabin, I like also the smell and such.
Yeah.
And possession is still important too.
Yeah.
It has 11 stops in total.
Yeah.
But no basement floor.
Yeah.
To the platform level, LL.
Yeah.
Yes. just take it.
That's